The Amazon Influencer Program is pretty unique because it allows you to establish your own presence on Amazon by giving you a storefront where you can post product photos, reviews, curation lists, idea lists, anything like that. And so after you're accepted into the Influencer Program, you get your own storefront with a unique URL that you can post in your bio on, different social media accounts. And this is really, really cool because let's say you have a following or any kind of presence, even if you have 100 followers and that's it. All they have to do is click that link in your bio and they're immediately funneled onto Amazon.com, onto your storefront. Because 1/3 of every US household has a Prime account, and like every dollar spent online in the US, 50 cents through Amazon, and that's a fact, most likely they will already have an Amazon account. So it becomes that much easier and faster to receive and earn commissions when you're recommending products that you like or that you've purchased in the past. My name is Mark and this is a brand new channel. If you could do me a favor, hit the like button, and if one person subscribes to my channel from this video, I'll continue to post every week about how to help you make more money on Amazon. Let's dive in. With the Influencer Program, you don't just have the opportunity to make money from your storefront. When you post product review videos and you tag that specific product on Amazon, if a random customer, if someone random like me searches for that product and I watch your product review video, and after watching your review video, I think, okay, I have a better idea as far as what to expect. I like what they showed. I want to buy that. Then you receive a commission also. So there's 2 income opportunities with the Influencer Program. That's probably the biggest differentiating factor between the Associates Program and the Influencer Program. With the Associates Program, it's a little bit easier to apply. All you have to do is submit a blog or a site or like a landing page where you're going to be posting about product review videos, and most of the time you will be immediately accepted. But you have to have at least 3 commission sales within the first 180 days, or else you're going to be removed for the Associates Program. So it's great if you already have your own website, blog, and you recommend products like here and there about something that you use for a recipe or maybe like a workout guide or whatever the case may be. With the Influencer Program, because you don't have your own blog or website, your storefront will serve as like that landing page. It's kind of like, here's the Associates Program, they have a blog or a site, it's their landing page. Here's the Influencer Program, and you have your storefront URL. It's a landing page where you're going to be posting about your product review videos. With that being said, the application process for the Influencer Program is a little bit more. There's 2 parts. You first have to submit a social media account, and that's either a Facebook page, not a Facebook profile, but a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, or a TikTok account. And you have to have good enough engagement, not just followers. You have to have an engaged following, meaning people like your content. People will comment on it. You interact with other people on that channel as well. It can't just be a phony account. They will spot that, but you can apply as many times as you want during that process. After your social media account is approved, you're going to be given a storefront where you can start posting review videos or photos about products on Amazon. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you're eligible for something called on-site commissions, which is where someone looks and watches your video on Amazon and they buy the product and you receive a commission. So part 2 is going to be, you have to be accepted for on-site commissions. I have a different video I'll link up to above where I explain how to get accepted past that part. After all that, you're going to have your own Amazon page. And as an example, I want to show you my storefront page and how to navigate it the best way possible. Real quick, if you're wanting to learn how to get accepted into the Influencer Program and to scale your earnings to $100 a day, get my free course that's linked down below in the video description. It's completely free and I break down everything step by step. After your social media account has been approved, you're going to get your own Amazon storefront page, and that's going to look something like this. It might be blank, but you're going to have your own unique URL that you can share with people. I'm going to break down your storefront into 3 main pages that you need to know about. The first one is going to be this content hub or homepage, what I like to call it. That's what you see right here. The first and very most important thing that you can do is upload new product review videos or photos. You can do this by clicking create content. For example, I created a product review video this morning. I had just uploaded the video. I like to do thumbnails, so I put up a thumbnail, tagged the correct product, and created a video title. I'm going to click submit post, and it'll show up here on my storefront within about a minute or so. Next thing you can do is change your picture if you want to upload a new picture, or you can edit your profile. You can edit your name. You can put in emojis. You can put in some kind of bio or description, and you can link other social media accounts that you have. Just as a caution, make sure that your display name matches whatever social media account you link. For example, my name is Mark Mkr&x. If I linked an Instagram account account that I had, and the name of it was like Baseball Lover 2001, something like that, and those are not correlated, then you're going to get a wrench thrown in your account. It's going to get taken down and you're going to have to appeal and get it back up. So just don't do that. It's going to be a headache. Next things is something called curations. This is basically combining or categorizing product review videos or photos that you've done to your own liking. So I've done a lot of protein bars, powders, foods, whatever. I like to categorize those together onto my storefront page so that people can find them easier. And then next is something called idea list. This is just maybe things that you're either like thinking about buying, or maybe your influencer following wants to know, like, okay, what kind of Christmas things do you like to buy? You can not necessarily have to like review those Christmas products, but you can categorize things that you plan to buy for Christmas, something like this, and then you could share this page specific to your following if you would like to, which is pretty nice. If we go back into the storefront page, the last thing is all of the product review videos and photos that you've posted are going to show up right here. The next page is going to be something I like to call the reporting page. And this will show you very clearly how much money you're making through the influencer program. So it'll show you mostly how many clicks are you getting, how many video clicks are you getting, and then your income. Something that's really nice is to see what products are converting the best. Okay, what products are getting the most conversions and are you making money from? That way you can maybe like focus in on a certain niche if you're doing really well with that. Something to keep in mind is that this is set to my influencer storefront, but if I want to change it to my associate clicks, then I'm going to click and swap out to the other storefront ID and click apply. And then it's going to show me my stats and conversions through my associates accounts or my individual product links that maybe I have posted on different blogs or sites or whatever the case may be. The last thing that I want to talk about is something called the content management page. Basically, manage content. I always like to come here to video. This is really good if you want to edit or change anything that has to do with your influencer videos. So you could see what your stats have been for the last 30 days. It's kind of funny. It will always show you the last 30 days, but you can't see prior or in the future. You can see what videos have been published. So this video right here was rejected. And if I want to see exactly why, I can click that and then go to content guidelines. It'll give me an explanation. So I'll recreate that, which I actually just did this morning. So that's perfect. Another thing that you can do that I highly recommend is you can swap out titles or thumbnails and making sure that you're tagging products correctly. If you've lasted this long in the video with me, I'm going to give you a gem because I appreciate it. Most people do not do well with the influencer program, or essentially kind of suck at it, in my opinion, just because they don't know how to tag products correctly. You need to tag specific products and just only tag one. If you tag like 5 or 10 products at once, it's not going to go well. It's not going to like show up on any of the product pages. But if you just tag one product and you use the correct ASIN, it's something called the Amazon Standard Identification Number, that unique ASIN that's tagged to that product, and you show up on that product page, give it a month, give it 3 to 4 weeks, and all of a sudden Amazon's going to take your video review and tag it and push it onto other similar products. Okay, so that's huge. That's very important. That's why you should be familiar with the content management page or manage content. So that is your storefront. That's how you can set it up, and that's how you can start uploading and posting product review videos. I hope that this has been helpful for you. If so, hit the like button, subscribe, get my free course link down below, and I'll see you in the next one.